One day, while going through my mailbox, I came across an email that immediately caught my attention. It was about an opportunity to attend AWS reInvent 2024 in Las Vegas. For those who may not know, AWS reInvent is Amazon Web Services' flagship annual conference. Every year, tens of thousands of builders, developers, architects, and technology enthusiasts from around the world come together to learn, connect, and get a first look at the innovations shaping the future of cloud computing. It's where AWS announces new services, shares customer stories, and hosts hundreds of technical sessions, workshops, and hands-on labs. For anyone passionate about technology, it's one of those events you dream of attending someday. And I knew I had to try. I spent time putting together my application, sharing my journey, my AWS certifications, my community involvement, and how attending reInvent would help me grow and give back to the community. Then came the email I had been waiting for. I had been selected. I still remember the excitement and disbelief. It felt surreal. What had started as a dream was finally becoming a reality. Soon, I was packing my bags and getting ready for an unforgettable journey from Bangalore to Las Vegas. As I boarded the flight, I couldn't help but reflect on how far my cloud journey had already taken me. From learning AWS and earning certifications to now attending the biggest cloud conference in the world, it truly felt special. After landing in Las Vegas, the excitement only grew. The city was vibrant, full of energy, and everywhere you looked, you could feel the buzz of AWS reInvent. Treasure Island became my home for the week, and every morning I woke up excited, knowing I was about to spend the day learning from some of the brightest minds in technology. Over the next 4 days, I attended keynotes, breakout sessions, workshops, and explored the expo. But more than anything, I was amazed by the incredible community. Meeting builders and innovators from different parts of the world reminded me how powerful it is when people come together to learn and share knowledge. One thing that stood out to me throughout the conference was the incredible focus on artificial intelligence. AWS reInvent 2024 showcased how generative AI was transforming industries. From Amazon Bedrock and foundation models to real-world applications and customer success stories, AI was everywhere. As I sat through those sessions, something clicked. I realized that AI wasn't just another trend. It was becoming a fundamental part of the future, and I wanted to be the part of that journey. That inspiration stayed with me long after I left Las Vegas. What I brought back home wasn't just memories, photos, or souvenirs. I brought back curiosity. I brought back inspiration. And I brought back a new vision for my career. Since returning from reInvent, I have immersed myself in AI technologies. I pursued AI certifications, explored generative AI services, built hands-on projects, participated in hackathons, and started incorporating AI into the solutions I build. Looking back, I realized that AWS reInvent 2024 was much more than a conference. It was a turning point. It changed the way I think about technology. It opened doors to new possibilities, and it gave me the confidence to explore areas that I had only imagined before. As my week in Las Vegas came to an end, and I boarded my flight back home, I knew one thing for sure. This wasn't the end of a journey. It was the beginning of a new chapter. And it's amazing to think that it all started with a simple email in my inbox. Sometimes, life-changing opportunities arrive quietly. All we have to do is recognize them, believe in ourselves, and take that first step. And for me, that first step led all the way from Bangalore to Las Vegas and into the exciting world of AI.